Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Look like it's gonna rain, but today I want to just tell you guys about when your motor mounts is bad, what you could do. Basically, you could do two people. See, I did it by myself because the help of the tripod. So here's my engine right here, and I have a mount on the passenger side at the bottom. This is the top mount. I have one in the middle. Can't really see it. Let me see if I could get some light. Battery's too low to get some light. But I have one in the front right here. It's like at the bottom, and one on the driver's side as well, which is the transmission side. So in all total, I have four. So the diagnosis, sometimes when you're getting a lot of vibration, and I notice I hear it more. I feel it a little bit, but I hear it more. I hear an annoying sound when I turn on my AC. Inside of the cabin, you hear like a little roaring sound. It's annoying, like a little, I know my car. This is a 2008 Toyota Avalon. I've been searching a bunch of videos to see if anybody else have that problem, but I know it's my motor mounts that basically need to be replaced. And as I show you guys the list, what they try to charge, $1,200 to get the whole job done, $730 to basically for the labor, and $400 for the parts, while I could get the part way cheaper than that on eBay, and I could do it myself. But that's another story. So basically I'm going to show you guys, let me tell you guys what to do. Basically, if you're not sure, what you do is basically you can have somebody tell them to start up the vehicle, record the engine steady, and go into reverse. Have them to step on the brake, of course, so they don't move, and try to rev the vehicle, and you'll see the play, how the engine, how it fluctuates, go back or forward or side, whichever, because all vehicles is that noise is annoying. All vehicle is not the same. They're different mounts is set up differently in whatever vehicle. But as for this Avalon, as I said, I have one at the bottom on the passenger side, the dog bone mount here at the top. They have one in the middle at the bottom, and one on the transmission side. So you'll see how much the engine will play, how much when you step on the gas, you'll see in reverse, and when you step on it, rev it a little bit, rev it up while your foot is on the brake, of course, and see how much play the engine give you, how much the engine have basically. But I found my problem. Most likely the one on the passenger side is bad. But I'm gonna basically change, not today, but I'm gonna change both of them. I'm gonna change the one in the front, and I'm gonna change the one on the passenger side. And I don't really need to change this one, because I recently changed that. This rubber piece don't really need to be there. This is the most important part right here. This is the rubber that's full. And I know I showed you guys a video a while back how the other one was no good. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Guys, remember this? When I replaced this one, as you can see, the rubber piece totally was no good. It was gone, cracked. That one is whole, that's in there. See the difference? This one is still good. It's basically new. The rubber piece is still intact. Basically brand new, guys. Look at that. New. So nothing is wrong with this one. So I'm not going to replace this one, even though I'm going to get a brand new one, because it's going to come in a set, all four of them under $100 on eBay. A lot of people don't love to go aftermarket, but if you don't got it like that, you got to do what you got to do. At least your engine is going to be holding up, But I'm going to show you guys, switch the video and show you guys what I did, and you're going to see how much play the engine basically have while me putting my foot on the brake and revving it in reverse, and also revving it in drive as well. You're going to see how the engine move, as I said, back and forth. You'll see how much play the engine actually have. And once again, I said when I notice when I turn on my AC, you hear a bunch of belt noise, squealing, little squealing here and there, especially in the morning. And also when I turn on my AC, you hear like a little roaring noise, and it's very annoying. I know my car, you know, but that's the problem that I'm having right now with my Avalon. And yeah, let's get into that video. And yeah. Alright guys, there you have it. I hope this helps you guys to figure out the problem if you have a bunch of shake, vibration in the car. Most likely the motor mounts is bad. You know, if you could get it cheaper, you know, at the shop, and you have the money, there's no problem with that. Take care of your business, you know. But if you don't have the money and you could buy it off eBay, which is cheaper, and you could do it yourself once you have the tools and have the jack to hold up the engine and do that procedure yourself, thumbs up to you. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make sure I have 2 jack stands as well to hold up the car for extra protection. Make sure I have an extra jack to hold up the engine as well while me doing that procedure. I would love to record it, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know if I'm gonna get the chance to do so, because sometimes doing that type of job is like aggravating, you know. I have my friends over and everybody down to, you know, help me, and most likely we always work together, so get the job done. But as I said, if you have a bunch of vibration, I don't know if you guys are gonna hear it if I put it up here, because I have my AC on right now. I don't know if if the camera is gonna actually pick up the little shake, the little vibration while I have it on the what you call it, the tripod, or the thing in the car to hold up the phone. But yeah, hopefully this video helps you guys to diagnose your vibration problems. Hopefully it helps. You know, I had to diagnose my symptoms myself, because when I went to the shop, I explained to the guy, I was like, yo, I'm having a little vibration. He was like, he already knew it was the mounts. But me personally, I want to make sure, because I usually buy the parts and take it to them for them to just do the labor work. I never really let them do everything. I always make sure I purchase my parts first and take it to them, and they do the labor work. If it's something I could do myself, trust me, I always usually just buy the parts myself and do it myself. It always comes out cheaper that way instead, because sometimes times like right now is very hard, and they always charge an arm and a leg, like, yo, $1,211, get the hell out of here, man. with that BS. For real. Get out of here with that foolishness, man. Times are hard. Nobody got it like that. Who got $1,200 laying around like that you want to, you know, unless it's not some type of emergency, you know, you'll probably pull it out. But for me to do this on the car, I was like, man, I'll probably just do it myself, man. Get out of here. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that this video actually helps you guys. I have a 2008 Toyota Avalon. Most likely it's going to be the same with the 07 all the way to the 12, probably the newer ones as well. The motor mounts basically sits in the same position, one on the transmission side, which is the driver's side, one on the passenger side, one in the middle at the bottom, and that T-bone mount at the top. That's the easiest one. I had recently replaced that not too long ago, like 3 or 4 months ago. I replaced that. I should have replaced it sooner, but I didn't. I don't know why. I guess because I didn't see it till I look at it. I was like, yo, this is cracked. You know what, let me order it, and I replace it myself. But I hope this video helps. As I said, if you guys having a little vibration, motor mounts don't really go out like that. It takes 5-7 years, sometimes even longer. Most likely it's the original mounts on the car. So yeah, most likely it's the original mounts on the car. So these never been changed. This is like a 16-year-old car now. We're in 2024. This is 2008. Over 224,000 miles on the car, and the vehicle is still running strong. So it's time for them to be changed because they're worn out. You know, things don't last forever. So motor mounts need to be changed, and 16-year-old car, so hey, they need to be replaced. So I'm gonna order them. I'm gonna order them from eBay. They're on the $100, maybe $80-$90. I'm gonna order them, and I'm gonna go from there. But that's all I gotta share with you guys. I really appreciate the love and support, and once again, hopefully I help anybody who need this help, whoever have the same vehicle and going through the same problem, and don't know how to diagnose that problem. You could do the same thing. Trust me, it's gonna work for any vehicle. You're gonna see. All you got to do is just take that rubber. If you have that silver piece, if you have a Lexus, a Toyota, any car that have that silver covering, you could take it off. You could also put it back as well, and do what you got to do. You feel me? Do that test. Make sure you put your foot on the brake, put it in reverse, rev it up, rev it up. If you have a tripod, that'd be easy. One person could do it. If you don't have a tripod, have somebody to do it, to help you do it, because you know you can't be in the car at the same time as you standing outside looking at the engine, and just look how the engine move back and forth when you put it in reverse while you're revving it, and when you put it in drive, you're revving it while your foot is on the brake. Very important. Make sure your foot is on that brake before you rev it. You don't want to put it in drive and drive up in something and hit something. So make sure your foot is on that brake, and watch how the engine move back and forth. If it have too much, it's supposed to move regardless, but not like how mine's moving. And I seen worse. Trust me, I seen worse. So as I could see how it have so much play, you're not supposed to be doing all that. Too much movement. So those mounts need to be replaced, and I will be replacing them. It's either I'm going to do it myself, or I might just take it to somebody else that will do it cheaper. I'm not paying no $1,200, and I'm definitely not paying no $730 for the labor. Get out of here. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Peace. God bless. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please share this out. You know, it might help somebody out there. Who knows? I love it. Peace. Take care. God bless. I'm out. For real.
Like something about you I like. Do me what you want, give me what I need. I feel in your baby. I beg.